the gardening, cooking, and DIY channel. So today I'll be making a barbecue sauce, and I'll be using my homemade bone broth, my homemade brown sugar. I make my own tomato powder and my onion powder, and I also make, let me think, what else? Oh, my 14 spice, can't forget that. I will link all of those videos in the description. Now, not the tomato powder and not the onion powder, because I haven't made those videos yet. But as the growing season progresses and I start harvesting, I will be making those videos as well, so stay tuned for those. Like I said, I'm going to be putting them all in the link down below in the description, and also up here in the video. And if you want to go watch them first and then come back to this one, by all means do so. So without further ado, let's get started.
First, I'm going to add a cup of bone broth.
So I just made this bone broth that was left over from the jars that I filled up this morning. So I'm going to use whatever was left over, which is probably about a cup.
Next, I'm going to add a cup of brown sugar, and I will leave a link to that so that you can make your own homemade brown sugar. And you'll find me stirring the sauce in between the ingredients that I'm going to add, only because I want to make sure that everything gets incorporated well. Next, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of the tomato powder. Now, you could probably use tomato paste. You're just going to have to cook it a little bit longer so that you can get it to the right consistency after. I've added 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of the 14 spice mix, and again I will leave a link to that so that you can make your own. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of spice rum, a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, add a teaspoon of soy sauce, and a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Now I'm going to mix that really well, and now I'm going to let this boil for probably about 10-15 minutes. What you're looking for is you want to make sure that the spoon gets coated well with the sauce. So when it sticks to the spoon, you know it's done.
So there you have it, homemade barbecue sauce. Very easy to make. You can add some cayenne pepper to give it a little bit more zip if you wanted to, and try it with your next set of wings or your barbecue. Let me know in the comment below what you think. Leave a like if you like it, and subscribe. Costs you nothing to do that, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.